Onyx Philippines will be the third team to qualify para sa MPL Philippines Season 16 playoffs. You know what time it is? Hands in. After quite a difficult 2 weeks para sa Onyx Philippines, they finally got their victory over Twisted Minds. This was a much-needed victory para sa Onyx Philippines considering na yung mga nakaraang 3 nilang matches, they were on a 3-match losing streak. At para sa Onyx Philippines, who have been champions of the M6, who have been champions of Season 14, siguro bago to sa kanila. Pero yun yung isa sa mga bagay na iniisip ko. I wonder how Onyx PH caters to losses. Paano sila pag natatalo sila ng sunod-sunod? And we found the answer kasi ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-importanting laban nila this season. Twisted Minds was a team that defeated them nung unang round. At Twisted Minds sa magiging kaharap nila para ma-secure yung kanilang playoff spot. Not only did they beat them, but they also defeated them via sweep. Yun naman ang kagandahan whenever you have a group of players na sanay na sa liga. Lalo na pag naranasan na nilang matalo during the early days of their career. Kung tutuusin nyo ito, wala na to eh. The idea is to always reset para hindi na mangyari yung mga nangyari sa atin nung nakaraan. Being the third team to qualify for the playoffs, they are still in the running for the upper brackets. Aurora has already secured one of the upper bracket spots. Ang kalaban nila sa ngayon ay Team Liquid Philippines at yung natitirang 3 teams na gusto silang habulin sa playoff spot.